Using drone oblique photography data of Marina Bay Sands, with color filters and ray lens flare applied, the system fully captures the urban light and shadow of Singapore's 24 hours. Geometric level rendering keeps every building sharp under dynamic lighting, providing a high-precision 3D foundation for smart city demonstrations, urban planning, as well as urban combat simulation and target reconnaissance. Integrated with a full dynamic vehicle simulation and multi-perspective visualization system, key parameters such as longitude, latitude, attitude, and speed of the vehicle are rendered in real time. The system supports keyboard Washington WASDQE control for acceleration, steering, and climbing, and allows free switching between first-person, third-person, and free perspectives. A high-fidelity virtual dashboard is simultaneously generated, displaying core data including speed, heading, altitude, and more.